This is all you need to find every single dirty secret about your competitors. It's a platform called Reddit. People are anonymous. They say what they actually think.
I am sick of how chubby my girl has gotten.
No filter. If you have competitors, their customers will complain on this platform. Trust me. Now, the problem is there's so much happening on the platform that it's almost impossible to keep track of everything. So I just built an AI agent to do it for me. And by the end of this video, I'll actually share the template with you too. Every single week, it goes to scrape a bunch of subreddits, finds every single competitor mention there is, and then scrapes all of the Reddit comments underneath the post so we can be sure we know exactly what the customers of the product actually think about the product. Once it did all of the research, it will just send an email straight into my inbox, including a report. And I've even had my agent look for reasons why customers would switch from product A to product B, which gives me as a marketer a huge opportunity and first build some awareness about this issue they're having, and second, communicate the solution through my product. Let's go ahead and build this step by step. I want to build an agent that wakes up every Monday morning at 9 a.m., create a Google Docs report, and then send an overview via email to my email address, including a link to the report. I just rambled a bunch of information into the platform and hopefully, let's see what happens. Now, Agent Builder is pretty awesome, to be honest. It's not perfect. And obviously, you're not going to replace like a human with just one prompt, but it's a great place to get started. So you'll see on the right side, we have this workflow editor, which is currently empty with an empty trigger. And you see on the left side that, hey, my agent builder is thinking. It's currently viewing the agent. Oh, I've got some issues with my billing. If that's you, you need to update your credit card details, just as a side note. And it's doing a bunch of stuff for me. Now, if you hover over the action, you'll see how many credits have been used so far using the agent builder. And there we go. It even created this sticky note for me to understand what's actually happening with this agent. Every Monday, 9 a.m., competitive intel about Lindy and competitors, scrape posts and comments to find customer pain points and switching reasons. Love it. Every Monday, 9 a.m., that's an interesting choice. Google Docs, Gmail to send the summary. It's automated deep comment analysis. Let's close the agent builder for now. I'm going to hit deploy. And I'm going to hit test to see what's actually happening. All right, we're getting a bunch of subreddits and posts. Now it's getting some comments from these kind of posts. Now it's executing some code. Honestly, I have no idea what it's actually doing with code, but let's see. It used code to create the report. Interesting. Now it's creating a document for us. And I'm just over here relaxing. All right, it looks like it sent the email to myself and it's giving me the key takeaways. People are frustrated about pricing with Zapier. N8N is the primary competitor. Interesting. There's a big invoice automation demand. I feel that. And there's actually not much going on Reddit about Lindy. So let's take a look at the actual email. All right. So that's the summary. Pretty helpful. All right. That's not too bad. Let's click on the full report. Hell yeah. We got the full executive summary, key market findings, tool adoption, failures and lessons learned, the competitive landscape, actionable recommendations for Lindy, market opportunities. Ooh, automation without the Zapier bill. Interesting. N8N power, but Zapier simplicity. I love it. Honestly, Lindy is even more simple than Zapier, but still not bad. If you want to have access to this agent and a bunch more, feel free to click the link in the description.